I'll be showing you how to use the advanced search on the consignor page and the admin user page, as they are quite similar and pretty simple to use. So let's start with the consignor advanced search first. So I'm going to hover my mouse over the where it says consignors at the top left of the page and then click on list consignors. And then the way to use the advanced search is next to the search bar at the top here where it says filter. On the right hand side, just click on advanced search, and then that'll open up another couple of fields that you can use to refine your searches. So the consignor's advanced search is pretty simple. As far as what the fields are and what they mean, most of it is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll go through it just the same. First and last name, you have the consignor's ID, the consignor's email address, the company name, and then their city, state, county, and zip information, which you can put in here. And then the only other one that's kind of special would be the contract expiration date. You can click on the calendars to enter a start and finish date for an amount of time for when you think the contracts might expire. So if you pick a year, for example, it'll show all the consignors within that filter there. So because I'm using a test site, I only have one consignor, which is me, but all the information is pretty much just going to be based off of the columns that you see here on the results. The only thing you can't see here is the expiration date, but you can find that in a consignor's account page, no problem. Now moving on to the admin user advanced search, it's pretty similar. There's a couple of things that change. So to do that, you again hover over admin users, click on list admin users, and then at the top you just click on advanced search. So again, on the right hand side you have the first and last name, the username, and then the email address, and then the full name. And then the only thing that changes would be the registration date, which you can put in here, which is also found, by the way, under this column where it says created. And again, it's a date range, just very much so like the last one. You just put in a certain amount of time and it'll show you all the results that have been created within that date range. Same as the last logged in. This is the time that the user is logged in last, which is found here under last activity. And then of course you have blacklisted users. So if the user is blacklisted, you can click that and then you'll find the report will show all the users that have been blacklisted. But that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you how to use both searches. Thanks very much for watching. All the best.